Hey everyone, just a quickie here, follow up to the 272 not oiling video. Um, right, right there, down in the oil tank, that's actually the oil pickup tube. There's that plastic vent that goes right here. Let's see if we can. That plastic breather goes through the oil tank on this saw. Well, somehow I got my oil line caught up on top of it, which means the oil pump is not getting any oil. So I'm going to remedy that with a pair of needle nose pliers. Just hold on a second, I'm going to grab. Okay, I'm back. Got these big, let's see what we got here. There we go. Okay. With any luck, we should have oil now. Wouldn't that be something? Old sauce. Well, there you go. She's oiling now. I'm still going to investigate a little bit further. That's weird. I've never had that happen before, but the oil line, instead of being at the bottom and doing this, was clipped on top of that vent. So, yeah, I'll take it. Anyhow, like I said, if I find something interesting in the shop, I'm sure to film it and put it on video. Sometimes repairs are quite simple. I'm probably still going to take this apart. I did put a new oiler gear in when I rebuilt this saw. I'm still going to take this apart and just make sure everything's sound because, to tell you the truth, I'm tired of bringing this thing to cut and having problems with it. Not tired, but, you know, it'd be nice to just get it tuned and ready to go and be able to work with it. Anyhow, as always, thanks for watching. Take care.